Hey there! So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you 4 different methods that you can use to create a profitable but faceless YouTube channel. As a bonus, I'll be throwing in some niches that will work best with each method, and I'll also be sharing with you some of the software that you can use to get started for free. If that sounds good to you, well then please stick around for the entire video. If what you'll be covering in your tutorial is quick and easy, you can even just record your voice in real time as you're recording the screen. One example that I want to show you is this channel called Surfside PPC. As you can see, the channel owner never shows his or her face and instead gives us a peek inside his or her computer to demonstrate how to properly do things. So this channel specializes in the digital marketing niche. So on this channel, you'll see things like how to set up your Google Ads account or how to become an affiliate on Amazon. Besides digital marketing, if you intend to teach your audience something in one way or another, then you can definitely apply this strategy with any other category, because if you're teaching your audience something, we all know that it's better to show than to say anyway. Okay, so let's move on to the second method that you can employ in your faceless YouTube channel, and this is animation. So as you know, animation usually takes skill and isn't as beginner friendly as screen recording is, but there are also a few other ways to do it with ease. So animation type videos are generally great for educational and informational content, and the great thing about them is that they're thoroughly entertaining. One example for this is a channel called Andrea Roman. So this girl animates these Abraham Hicks Law of Attraction videos, and she has over 200,000 subscribers. A much simpler format of the way she animates her videos would be the whiteboard style clips, which are honestly really good for explaining technical or hard to understand concepts in general. So this kind of video style is used in a lot of marketing work, and it's because brands have to select pieces of information and convert them into littler, bite-sized pieces that their customers can understand more easily. So in a similar way, you can use this animation or whiteboard method to explain videos that need a lot of visuals in order to get your message across in a way that is clear and easy to understand. So I have 3 recommendations that you might want to try if you want to go for whiteboard animation. And the first one is called Render Forest. So Render Forest is an all-in-one tool that you can use to create infographics, videos, and animations. Another software that I recommend is called Animation. It comes with a paid and a free version, but I suggest that you start with free and just move on up when you need to. So the third software that I recommend is called Animaker. Again, you can choose the free version of this. One thing I really appreciate about Animaker is that it offers HD videos with its free version. Please do note that all these 3 do leave watermarks on your video, but they're free anyway, so I think that's still pretty fair. Hey, so if you're enjoying the content so far, just leaving a quick reminder for you to like, share, comment, and subscribe right now because it really supports the channel. And with that said, let's get right back into it. So the third method that I wanted to tell you about is called using stock footage to create your Faceless YouTube channel. Now, of all the different strategies that you can use, this by far is the easiest, and therefore it's also the most commonly used. So there are 2 really popular platforms in which content creators, marketers, small businesses, and individuals have been sourcing stock videos and photos from. They're of really good quality, they're absolutely free, and in case you haven't already heard, the platforms are called pixabay.com and pexels.com. So again, both these are 100% free to use, which is why they're so popular in the first place. So alright, using this technique, all you'll need to do would be to download pictures and the videos to go with your script, record the voiceover for it, and put them together in a creative way that makes sense. And the sky is really the limit in terms of the kinds of videos that you can create with this stock footage. In fact, if you try and type in any category onto the YouTube search bar, you're sure to find a ton of these faceless stock footage types of videos. One pretty popular category would be top 10 videos because you can literally choose anything that you like and simply use stock footage for those. So some examples for